Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. We are definitely making some progress on this little building that we're putting over our outdoor wood stove. We have gotten the trusses set, the ridge beam is installed, the slats have been prepared and they are installed as well, and now we are ready for the roofing. So we have the first sheet of metal roofing up, and now we're ready to get busy putting on the rest. This piece doesn't quite want to slide into place, so Jason's going to have to climb up there and help me out a little bit. So now we have to cut these roof slats to the proper length to see exactly where this last piece of metal will play out. Now it's time to cut this ridge beam to length. The circular saw didn't quite want to do it, so we have to pull out the reciprocating saw to finish the job. With a ridge beam cut, we're going to get these last rafters set in place and installed, and hopefully we'll get that done before it gets dark on us.
So last time out, it got dark on us, but the first thing this morning, we're going to put up the last piece on this side and then try to get started on the other side and get this job done.
Actually, before that, I think we'll get everything screwed in tight on this side and get these slats cut off to the proper length, and then this side will be ready to go too. Whoops, we about forgot to put in this other piece of drip edge before this piece of metal. So we'll get that on there and we'll be ready to go. This side finished, it's time to start on the other side. This next piece is the one that we will need to cut a hole in for the chimney. So on this piece, we're just going to kind of put it there in place. That'll give us something to mark that chimney off of so we know exactly where to cut the hole.
we've got a mark made there and a mark made there. We'll try to cut that out.
All right, so I think we have our marks made. We're going to drill a hole and then we're going to cut it with the 10 snips. There we go. We hope that fits. Smile.
Got it?
Yep. I've got it.
All right. Let your end down further.
Well, wait on your head to get out of the way.
Okay.
A little long. You might just come out here and take a look at it.
All right. You got to cut off
Sort of what?
around there.
Yeah.
6 and
I'll lift the flat end. We'll flatten this up.
All right, just need to trim off a little bit from this point all the way to this point. It rubs on the chimney, so I'm just going to trim it a little bit.
So we're trying to fit that piece of metal just right over that and get it lined up with this first ridge. So that's kind of the tricky part, but we've got it close. He had to trim that little bit off and we'll try and make it fit this time. That'll work. Promise all of this metal is the same color. It just some just has a little more dust and pollen on it than the rest of it. All right, let's get these last pieces of drip edge put on. All right, we are finally ready for this last piece of roofing.
it is time for the ridge cap.
We are so excited to finally be this far along with our project. It has certainly taken us a little while to get here, but as always, we've been working on lots of other projects. It is always fun to watch these creations come to life. As y'all know, I love to draw and to sketch things out on graph paper, and then it's fun to take those trees out of the woods. Lots of times they're dead laying across the driveway. That's where most of our wood comes from, and it's fun to take those and take them to the sawmill and then turn them into whatever size lumber we need and make that work for our project. With this project almost complete, I guess I'll have to sketch something else up. It is exciting to have the roof go on, and we're almost done with this. We just need to finish off a few more details. We've got to put the chimney boot on and watch for that in an upcoming episode. And we appreciate each one of you all following along with us on the journeys that we take you on. You know that we're not perfect at what we do. Lots of times it's the first time we've ever done it. And so we appreciate any comments that you all send, any suggestions or any feedback. We love hearing from y'all. So feel free to always drop us a comment. If you like watching our videos, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, do send us some comments and share it with a friend, and we will see you next time on Ouch Mountain.